welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. And I'm so excited to kick off another year of holiday vibes, cozy moments, and all of the teacher life festivities. If you're new here, I'm Nikea, a high school teacher, content creator, mom, and lover of all things warm, cozy, and cute. Today we're starting strong by decorating my space and getting everything festive and cute for the holiday season. So grab your hot cocoa, get comfy, and let's jump right in. So before we get started, I went up into the attic with the help of my husband and we grabbed all the things that we wanted to use, and I stored them in these bins that I got from Target a couple years ago, and we just store everything up in the attic. They're not organized. I need to do that. Maybe I will do that at the end of Vlogmas, is organize all the decorations so I know what's what, because I also decorate for other holidays, so it'll be good to label these and know what's in it. So we're just going to be decorating the living room, and that's the kids space, or where I usually put the kids tree. And well, it was just one kid but now I have two, so the theme was like colorful and bright, and then it was like gingerbread candy cane, and then we just combined them together. We just combined the two and had that thing. But I get most of my things from Pop Shelf, Target, and Home Goods, and Walmart. That's where I get most of my stuff, and then when I buy it out of season. So we have the Christmas tree up here. This is a very tiny Christmas tree. EJ found it. Let's decorate.
Yay! We're not sad and we're not miserable anymore.
Yay! Alright, Harper, spread the branches out. Ellery said,
Ellery, you wanna help me?
Ellery said, yay! We got the tree! Yeah, she can help me. Supposed to be a 6-foot tree. I'm only 5'7", so it's shorter than me.
Ooh, pretty light. Can you say pretty? Can you say cute?
Say lights. These lights are fighting for their life.
Like, no, please don't unwrap us. We had a great slumber.
2 strands of light. We're gonna get this right.
Cause Christmas almost didn't work out.
Hey, yeah, put enough decorations to work out. Evenly lit. That looks pretty good. Don't see any gaps. Okay, time to put on the decoration. So as a tradition, my mom has gotten us Santa ornaments for the past 5 or 6 years. So we have a lot of black Santas. There's one. It's supposed to be 6 feet, but I think it is 6 feet if you stand it all the way up. But here's our theme with our little palms. And you see our colors. This tree skirt came from Walmart, and we actually got it for free because it didn't have a price tag on it, and they could not be bothered. So shout out to Walmart. And then we have all these Santa ornaments. My mom has given us one for the past 4 or 5 years. 2. And then a chair. So that's 3 Santas.
That's the green. That's the ginger man with the green bow. That's the ginger man with a red bow with coconut.
Cupcake in there.
Hey.
Cupcake inside the tree.
We're supposed to do
Look
like
at
this.
Ellery. This is Ellery's contribution to the tree.
Take one.
Ellery say yay.
Now put it on there. Oh. Yeah.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Don't even think about it. Good job.
Thank you. have black Santas, and Harper has some custom ornaments. This is one that she made. My sister-in-law had this one made for her. And her first ornament is up here somewhere. Oh, here it is. This is her first Christmas ornament. It used to say Harper 2016, but that was 9 years ago and they wrote it in Sharpie. So yeah. And she has some other stuff that she made and that was gifted to her, some custom ornaments. One from her Elf on the Shelf. So that's our tree. This is our tree corner. Okay, and to go along with this theme, we have our nutcrackers over here. And then, of course, this is living room. We spend a lot of time here during the holiday season. You know, we have 2 living rooms, so. But, you know, some adult vibes. This is our mantle fireplace, what I call it. And I'm supposed to change the flowers out for the seasons, but I haven't done that in a year. So this has been up here since last Christmas, but it works out because now it's the vibes. And then we just have these candles. I'm not gonna light these because that is definitely a fire hazard, but it's just this nice, cool champagne gold winter vibes. And the black ties in with some of the other adult decorations or grown-up decorations. We have these black tree pillows. These are from Pop Shelf with the leather black Christmas trees. And these are not just for decoration, they're also for function because we're older and we need back support. And this is a new couch that we just got yesterday. And I added this Christmas throw that's a light gray with reindeer. And then this cream and black Merry Christmas pillow with these sketched Christmas trees. And then we do have a family set of stockings, but I wanted there to be stockings to match in here. So Ellery and Harper have stockings up here as well. And just to match the theme. And I got these little stocking hangers from Amazon. I think it came in a 12 pack. And then this last little area here, we have this tray that says Believe. And with our little naughty nice sign. And these Santa candles that smell oh so delicious. Like I mentioned, for this room, it's a little mix of the kids vibe, which is very whimsical, fun, and colorful, and then the simple, elegant vibes for me and my husband, the adults. So I'm not really a stickler for decor having to strictly match the house, because Christmas is supposed to be fun and magical and whimsical and all that jazz. So I add some simple elements also with some splashes of color. All right. We've got the space together. I really wanted everything to feel warm and welcoming this year. I've been loving the vibes of the soft lighting in this room and the tiny details that make the room feel peaceful after a long day of teaching. All right, you all, I'm loving the living room, this area, and the decorations so far. This is just the beginning. I feel like I'm gonna add a little more splashes throughout the house, but this is really the main area and the first place that people see. I am gonna add some Christmas touches in the kitchen and the den and the entryway as well. So make sure y'all stay tuned for Vlogmas so you can see the little sprinkles of magic that I add throughout the home. This is a good way to start Vlogmas with a little reset, have a clean space, new decorations for the season. December gets wild for teachers. We have to press through these last 3 weeks before break. So I'm trying to create a space that makes me feel grounded and happy. And home is where it is. So be sure to let me know in the comments what your holiday theme is this year. Are you team traditional red and green, or do y'all love neutrals and simple elegance, or are you a mix of both? Let me know. All right, and that's a wrap on Vlogmas Day 1. Thank you so much for watching and starting this holiday journey with me. Make sure you're subscribed because we have so much coming this month, okay? Content on content. This is a revamp reset for me for my YouTube channel, so come along on this journey. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye, y'all.